This is a replica of the Mercury Matador. The Matador was a traditional design and designed about 1948. Very successful, originally for free flight and then early single channel radio control equipment. It's true to say that a lot of people, this was the first successful radio control model. Beautifully designed, very simple. What I've done, I've upgraded this and I brought it into the 21st century by incorporating Depron foam. All you need to do with any Depron application is use the original plan, draw around the shapes, and then literally face it with balsa. The use of balsa and Depron I find is very successful. Depron on its own is fine, but it lacks the longevity unless the balsa is applied. I usually start off with a box for the centre fuselage and then add the sides like this and then pull in the tail like that. Very similar to basic construction except we're using Depron foam in this case. Plywood is used for structural points such as the engine bulkhead here, and then we can build up the motor mount here with plywood as well, straight onto the engine bulkhead. The wing is quite interesting because the original utilises standard balsa rib construction, but what I've done, I've used balsa sheet for the base. You can also use Depron or foam board. And then literally I use this technique whereby the ribs are made from Depron foam and then we push carbon rods, go straight through the wing, immensely strong. The leading edge is half-inch balsa, and then around the leading edge I'll preform these with water overnight, and then they'll be glued onto there like that, and the old leading edge will be planed into an airfoil section. Once again, very strong. Now to join the wings, all we need to do is cut into the foam and then sink the dihedral keepers straight into the wing alongside the carbon spars. For this we can use two spars, one at the front and one at the rear, and then once they're dried we can join the wing together. You can use wing struts if you like, but they're not necessary. And this will be a yank and bank model, i.e. it'll be rudder and elevator, exactly as the original. And all I've literally done is upgraded it, and I've used what materials I've got lying around as well. Even the balsa is unsanded at the moment. I'll buy this balsa at the shows, it's offcuts, and they're perfectly adequate. I don't mind a bit of sanding outside, and it does the job as well. So there you are, that's the Mercury Matador coming along. And I'll do a progress report on this as and when necessary, but for the time being she's under construction. There's about 4 evenings work so far gone into this. I'm just doing it in between other jobs, and it should make it a really attractive vintage model. Thank you.